management module. What is that? Inventory management. What is
So
the
purchase order this much only, that's it?
Yeah, this is.
Okay.
Will configure once done all configuration, we can do the integration, then we create master data. Whatever our configuration are correct or not, then we'll see the master data time. Understand? That only project is completed. Whatever we do the configuration, we need to check the testing state. Master data's creation time, any errors, we need to check the configuration. So project preparation, documentation, business blueprint, configuration, testing, go live and support. Understand?
Yeah.
Now last topic is inventory management. What is the inventory management? We are production the goods. We are procure the material. We are procure the material stored in the warehouse. In the warehouse, we need to maintain to the one system. What is my stock levels? What is my raw material how much? What is my finished goods how much? What is my output? Entire finished, semi-finished goods how much? Total product how much? We need to maintain to the system inventory levels. That point of view, SAP is provided for inventory management concept. Understand? How much inventories we have in the warehouse, stock how much, finished goods how much, semi-finished goods how much, raw material product how much, entire products, goods how many in the warehouse. We need to maintain to the system in a database, correct?
Yeah.
That is the reason SAP is provided for inventory management. Inventory management is same thing, materials management modules. Here. Here, materials management. Here, inventory management and physical inventory. Then, plant parameters. Anybody asks you are going to the product place, what is the parameters of inventory management means? 4 parameters. First, inventory management, plant parameters. Total depend on this inventory management, this setting only. 4 activities plant parameter. Go to the entries. See here. What is the plant here? G plant. We have 3 plants, one by one you do. See here, plant parameters. What is the plant parameters? Goods movement, physical inventory, active stocks, reservations. So, final understanding, plant parameters means goods movement. Second, physical inventory. Third one, negative stock. Fourth one, reservations. So we need to activate it all plant level. I am going to give your plant GP. We need to activate its storage location, default checking, missing parts active, summarization of victim missing parts, synchronization posting, any material best before date, BOM usage, production, BOM application PP01 standard. BOM means bill of material. Who will take care of the bill of material? PP consultant, production planning consultant, PP consultant.
Okay.
What is the standard? PP01 standard. Document type, event type, SCA. Here, transaction event document type, WV, physical inventory document. Here, days movements allowed 1 day, maybe retention period maybe either 10 days or 15 days, whatever. So you need to activate these things, all things. Then, on this point only goods movement. Now, physical inventory. What is the physical inventory? Stock type. In the all stocks are warehouse, correct?
Yeah.
Activated. Then, all you need to activate it. Book and inventory. Active is the data of physical inventory. We all activations only. So negative stocks we need to activate it. Reservations, all things here. These are all negative stocks. Reservations activated. Customer consignment, any return goods, sales order, project stock, all activations. Final understanding, what is the ultimate parameters of plant? How many types? 4. Inventory management. First one, goods movement. One goods movement, one place to another place. Either one plant to another plant. One storage location to another storage location. That is called goods movement. Physical inventory. In the warehouse, how much physical? Maybe raw, how much? Self-made, how much inventory have? Then negative stock. We have excess stock, any excess stock. Maybe order 100 boxes. Maybe you have 20 boxes. Excess stock, 10 stocks. What kind of policy activated? Reservations. We can customer book the stock, reserve the my stock. Maybe this Apple phones, 100 phones, maybe reserve. Maybe keep on that, we put it in the warehouse. These are all things we need to activate at plant level. Plant level. Where fine, where I have 3 plants, where how? Second plant, again you need to activate it. Third plants, again you need to activate all the plants. This is called plant parameters. Very, very important point for interview question. Define.
What kind of question they will ask in this one?
What is the plant parameters of inventory management? You tell goods movement, physical inventory, negative stock, reservations.
Okay. Physical inventory and goods movement is fine. Negative stock means what you said?
Excess stock. Excess stock. We are ordered 10 boxes, but you have 15 boxes. Excess.
Excess. Okay.
Okay.
And reservations means how much reservation they have done already? That much.
Okay. Most important. Internet definitely asks this question. What is the inventory management plant parameters? Keep in mind physical inventory, that is goods movement, physical inventory, negative stocks, reservations. All the inventory stored where? Warehouse. Correct?
Yeah.
In the warehouse, what kind of goods have? Boxes how many? How many raw material how much? Finishing goods how much? Semi-finishing goods how much? We need to maintain to the system. That is called inventory management. Now, see here, member assignment. So, number assignment, first points here, accounting document. This one is maintained to the FI. We are not maintained. Understand? Financial accounting document. This is maintained for FI. We are not touching this point. Define number assignment accounting documents. Who will take care? FI. Number assignment for accounting. FICO consultant will take care. Whatever you done the configuration, you will also done. This point will complete that guy. Okay?
Okay.
Now, define number assignment for physical inventory document. So, first interval, which interval available we need to check here. Up to 4 number ranges used. So, which number will take? Now I am taking 5th number 1222 133. Okay? I am going to take here back. Now change. Go to here. What is the number? GM Motors physical inventory document number. Okay? What number? 5. What is the financial year?
2021. Well, we don't have to put -1 for this one like before.
What -1?
You had put the financial year as current year -1.
What is your current financial year? concept. This is year. That is period maintenance different. This is different.
Okay.
Where is the transport request number? Sir?
This is number range, so it will not come.
Why? Any reason, sir?
Because this number ranges we don't use to put into different landscapes, like they will be different for every landscape because the number ranges might exceed whatever we are entering right now.
Implementation
So
time, 2-3 servers develop quality production. When you sit in the support time, user will exceed this number, you will create directly production server who will sit in the support consultant, supporting. Correct?
Yeah.
Very, very important. Keep in mind as a consultant, your experience and mention your profile. Definitely, this point is valid point. Why? Why? What purpose we created? Why we created? Why we are happened to that? There is no PR. This is most important. Okay?
Okay.
See here is the physical inventory document. Okay? So now go back. Select. Go. Assembly. Select. Enter. Is coming now. What is that? IB.
Yeah, physical.
Document. Assign. How to assign? More group assignment number will come, select and automatically will come here. Okay? Then go back. Save. Need to save. Go back. First one, accounting. Who will take care of that part? Finance. This one, MM. Now, reservation number ranges. First, to create number range for interval, we need to create first interval. What interval available? Maybe 3. From which number to which number people are taking? So what we'll do, maybe I will take here 1, 2.
They already took one.
So how the people is taking the wrong thing? 1 second, just a minute. Already people have done practice. So what we'll do, second, I will cancel here. Plus 0.3. Maybe we need to change this from here. Possibility we need to change. Okay, leave it. We don't want this to be anything. This one 0.03. Now I am going to take what is the number he is taking? 9.5. 1 second. 1 second.
They have taken the maximum already?
Somebody's practiced wrong. Okay, what we'll do here? I will tell you.
But what happens if this happens in live scenario? Like if they have exhausted that number till number 10, does that happen in normal scenarios?
The server practice so many people. Live, no one not enter this place. Correct or not? Only 1 or 2 standard numbers. After that, you will take just numbers. These people are taking so many other people practice. What number they we don't know. Say the misproper number. They are not with proper numbers here. Nonsense numbers. So I tell you what we'll do here. That we extract. I will give a solution. Now what we do here now plus 0, 2 you will take. What we'll do here 9 maybe 100. Okay?
I think you have to put one more zero.
Like that. Simple.
You have to put one more zero, I think.
1 second.
Oh, you put this, it took zero or before 9. You have to remove that. No, it will not work.
So, okay. Yes. Take it. And after that, you can give 1 1 like that. You will take. Always here down saying interval inexist means you can try again. So, what number you created 2? Then after that, go to this button. Here you can give which number we are going to give here 2. Save. So what is that? Assign number ranges to reservations. Create number range, there is no TR, correct? Assignment only happen. Define number ranges here. Define number ranges for reservations. No TRN. But assign number ranges no STR. Then here goods receipt and issue slip. This is also number. First we can create here plant. What is the plant level? GP we need to activate it. When we'll activate it, ma'am? Plant parameters and we are activated automatically will come here. Understand?
Say it again.
Plant parameters we have done the step here. Goods receipt activated automatically will come here.
Oh.
This plant parameters time. Activated automatically will come goods.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So automatically will come here in this place. Now define goods receipt issue slip. First plant activated. This is already done. Now second point, here go to interval. We are going to give interval. Change. Create 0 1. What is the financial year? Save. Here test we need to give. What is that? GM. What is the GR?
G.
Goods receipt.
Okay.
What is
Goods.
Goods issue. Goods issue.
Okay. Okay.
Goods receipt, goods issue. See here now what number you created here in this place? 1. GR. Go back. Go back. This is interval I am going to done here. Number range grouping code. We are grouping code one number range you are putting. Grouping code GC. What is number range you created here? 1. Don't give extra number. Understand? Define assign number ranges to grouping code. Yeah. Go back. Plant level activated. Second one, first interval created, that interval assigned to this place. Now last one, object means what is the plant here? GP.
GP.
3 times we are going to give here. Why?
Oh, because we have 3 different storage locations.
Movement type, 101, 101. Goods receipt, you need to give here 101. What is the movement types? SAP is provided for inventory management and warehouse management, some movement types. One activity, one plant to another plant, different movement type. Goods receipt, we are done for now. GR, GI. So what is the movement type? SAP is provided for 101. Details management. Now, number assignment. GP, GP, storage location, raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, movement type 101. What is the grouping code we have created? G, I think GC. You created a grouping code.
The grouping code, when did we create? Just before this that we created?
Yes. I will show you. See here? Go back. See the screen?
Yeah.
So,
That is GRGI, right? So we call that group code.
the group code is see the screen, number range, grouping code.
Okay.
The grouping code is GC, number range 01. Only in the number. Whatever grouping code we need to give this.
Okay.
So this is the second step of the inventory management. First, plant parameter. Second one, number ranges. Fixed. First plant parameters. Second one, number range. Clear?